Teach your dog how to jump through a hoop. Step 1. Place the hoop on the floor and let your dog interact with it. It's an unfamiliar object, so make sure they are totally comfortable with it before moving on. Step 2. Place the hoop upright but keep it on the ground. Ensure your dog is comfortable with the hoop before moving on. Lure your dog through the hoop and reward them when they walk through it. Step 3. When your dog is comfortable walking through the hoop, gradually increase the height of the hoop until your dog is jumping through the hoop. When they are comfortable and they are confidently jumping through the hoop, add in a verbal cue such as hoop before you lure them through the hoop. And that's how you teach your dog to jump through a hoop. For more trick tutorials, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. See you next time.